Perfect. Okay.
Elizoba omukugarukamu okuteera akaruru akokutorana chairman ow'entebe eya katano ahabwa district ya Kikuube abantu tibayijumbira mu karuru munonga ahabwokuba ahari Rwentahi Primary School omugombora ya Kaboya ahashaha inane chwekaza kasheshe aha abantu bakwingana 5-9 bonka nibo babarebikireho okuteera akaruru wahika ahari Rwentahi Primary School aha abantu 911 bonka nibo babatire akaruru ahari Satito Winyu Primary School naho abantu 83 nibo babatira akaruru kabo aha batezi bakaruru abari kwingana 441 kandi na n'imyanya endijo naho wanoshanga ngo aha abantu bakwikarukaga abantu 61 nibo bani babatire akaruru kabo district ya Kikuube inabatezi bakaruru abari kurenga omitwari 14 abayihandikise bagwa kuterera obururu bwabo on polling stations 330 omugomboro Ramushanjo twagambaho na bamwe ahantu babukurira kuteza obururu kandi ababagira ngo okutera kw'abantu bace cyarugirira ahakushanga ngo abantu bariyo nibejumbira omukusharura ebyo buhinji abantu bagira ngo abantu bingi omu district ya Kikuube n'abahinji ecyaretera batija mu karuru twagambaho n'abantu bateza obururu aha myanya etari emwe n'emwe kandi ababagira ngo ecyaretera abantu batayijumbira mu karuru no kushanga ngo obu n'obwire bwo kuhinga
ikiritiriza abana kuba batito binakatale ikwaho tunigira nicyo kiritiriza abantu kuba batito then nkabulijyo sometimes bakira kwijo bure December tandika sahemu ifikinga osayikuni
has not been very good except by the time we approached 8:30, that's when we received the first 10 people who were to witness the process. Otherwise, people are continuing coming slowly by slowly, but we expect that the turn up will be.
Jennifer Kabasambo olwanoreberera ebyo bururu yayebuza abwenji abantu batayijumbira mu karuru ngo kandi obwa karuraka kari akomugasho aha abantu.
People are still digging and they show up around 1. And another thing, the first 10 voters in the morning, because most polling stations have opened around 9.
Pade Kisembo okwasire ebendera ya NRM omukaruraka yagira ngo akaruru no butirabe ngo abantu bayijumbira mbace ngo bitu na Jacques Kasinga
abantu bakyali bake abakujja kutera akaruru obwire bunu baitu nino okugumya nti bakugenda kuyija okuba ntumanya bakusinga obwingi bali mini basobola kuba bakyalo Misiri ni basamalayizinga bamaliriza baitu ndi mugumu nti bajja kuyija bakome.
Emmanuel Twine oli kurebya akaruru muri Kikuube nagira ngo ebintu byahikaho ombwire ngo bitu abantu baguma bari bace.
As I already shared with you, we received the materials in time. So this morning we are able to dispatch all the election materials to the field, and since we had enough manpower and vehicles, most of the polling stations are opened in time.
Gashakwa Gada Saba ahabwa Tayari West.